This dance is called Good Feelings. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting off on our right foot, rock to the side, recover the weight on that left. Cha-cha-cha, which is 3 steps basically in place, right, left, right. Repeat that with the left foot leading. Rock to the side, recover, cha-cha-cha. Let's just do that little section again. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha. So your cha-cha-chas are your 1 and 2 type counts. So half count steps as opposed to 4 count steps. From here we're going to do a V step. So we're going to step the right foot diagonally forward to the right, the left foot out to the left, then bring the feet back. So your right foot comes back, your left foot steps beside the right. So that's a little V step, as you can see you're doing. Add on to that some moving forward cha-cha steps. So we're going to go diagonally forward. So you step your right diagonally forward, just bring your left behind the right and step the right forward again. So 1 and 2 type counts. Repeat that going to the left diagonal. So it's left, almost close, left. So just bringing that other foot just behind the first foot on those steps. So just do that little section again from the V step. So out on that right, so you step out, out, in, close, into these travelling cha-chas. So it's a right cha-cha, left cha-cha. Add that to the top. Side right cha-cha-chas, off on that right. 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha. Out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha. So from this left cha-cha, we're going to do a jazz box. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, quarter turn, and step the feet together. So it's a quarter turning jazz box, because it would be boring if we face the same wall all the time. So I'm just going to add that onto the top. We're going to do the next set of steps together. Side right cha-cha-cha, off on that right. 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha. Out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha. Cross, back, turn, close. Right, shoop steps. The shoop steps, very similar in some respects to sort of shuffles and the cha-cha that we've just done. They're slightly slower, and you have this little bit of a trainy sort of emphasis on them. It's the only way I can explain it. So again, we're going on the diagonals, starting off with the right foot. So without the motions, you're effectively going to step forward on the right, bring the feet together, step forward on the right, and touch. You're going to repeat going to the left, but diagonally to the left, step, close, step, touch. So that's what your feet are doing. What it is going to kind of look like when you put that sort of motion into it to make it into a bit of a shoop step. You're doing a shoop, 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 shoop. Okay. Hopefully you can kind of capture that. My class know I make a bit of fun of this dance, because it's quite enjoyable. I quite like it. So that little section again with the shoops. Right foot leading. 7, 8. Right shoop. Left shoop. Okay. Let's add that to the top. Side right cha-cha-cha. Off on the right, 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, cross, back, turn, close, right, shoop, and a left shoop. Okay. To finish the dance, nice and easy-ish. You're going to step your right slightly to the right. You're going to bump your hips, so your right hips, right, centre, right. And then you're going to bump your left hips, left, centre, left. Okay, so the counts when you're actually doing those bumps, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, otherwise known in my class as a bumpety bump, bumpety bump. So that's how I kind of describe it. That ends the dance, and then you start again with your side rock cha-cha-cha. So let's add that to the top. Off on the right, 7, 8, side rock cha-cha-cha, side rock cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, cross, back, turn, close, shoop, to the right, and left shoop, the bumps, bumpety bump, bumpety bump. So that's the dance. Let's have a go the other 3 walls, and then I'll tell you about the restart. Off on that right foot, 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, cross, back, turn, close, right shoop, and left shoop. And bumpety bump, bumpety bump, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, cross, back, turn, close, right shoop, left shoop, bumpety bump, bumpety bump, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, cross, back, turn, close, right shoopity-doop, and left shoop, bumpety bump, bumpety bump. And we carry on. So, there is one restart in this dance. It is on wall 5, and it is after 16 counts. So you'll basically go up to your right and left cha-cha-chas, and then you'll restart. So wall 5 is basically when you get back to the front. So let's pretend we're doing wall 5, we'll just do it up to the restart so you can see where that is. Side rock off on the right, 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cha-cha-cha, out, out, in, close, right cha-cha, left cha-cha, restart. So that's your restart point before you do that turning jazz box. So that's the dance. Let's give it a go to some music. cha cha, side rock, cha cha cha, out, in, toes on the right, cha cha, restart, side rock, cha cha cha, side rock, cha cha cha, out, in, toes on the right, cha cha, left cha cha, cross, back, turn, right shoots, left shoot, bumpity bump, side rock, cha cha cha, restart, cha cha cha, jazz, shoots,
Cause they got love that we know must share. Like candy rain falling down on me. And this is right where I wanna be. It's as far as the eye can see. You're so nice and it don't cost a thing. Oh, what a good feeling. Oh, what a good feeling. I wanna live it every day like it's my very last time. I got this rhythm in my heart, never felt so alive. Oh, what a good feeling. Good vibes.
Hope you like that one.